So if you have a 16-year-old Mercedes, like I do, more than likely you're going to run into this issue sooner or later, okay? So what I'm having a problem with right now is some of my vent controls are no longer accessible. Like this one is pushed outward, okay? But as soon as I go to dial it up or down, it retracted, okay? So what that is because I've already taken apart the other side, this cover comes off. There's a vent tube, all right, that runs behind the dash, okay? So we're not going to take it off because most people don't realize there's a screw that's hidden behind these louvers right here, and I believe these are glued into the actual panel here, okay? Because I broke mine on the other side, so this is why I'm doing it this way, all right? So in order to fix this, okay, we're just going to take off the little cover right here, okay? On the driver's side, it hides basically your fuse box, okay, your fuse panel. So what you want to do is you want to find this dash panel right here, okay, and you can go above or underneath it, but what you want to do is you want to find that tubing, okay, and see it, you just want to push it out towards the back of the car, okay? So from there, you can now kind of test to make sure that the dial works appropriately. So as you can tell, it's not sticky and it's free play, all right? What you want to do now is, as you can tell here, I've already taken the liberty of drilling a pilot hole right here. You just want to find this flat surface, and then there's a crease, okay? And what you want to do now is drill a little tiny hole through this little dash, and then it'll go through, all right, the actual tubing of the air duct, all right? And I apologize, I didn't have any other nice clean screws, so we're gonna have to use this Rusty's, all right? All right, I'm gonna put the phone down so I can actually change my bit. All right. So from here, we're gonna do the exact same thing, okay? Just as I drill the hole, I didn't really push, I allow the bit to do the work, because what I wanted to do was I wanted the material to kind of get cut through with the drill bit, and the same thing goes here. I want the material to kind of get dug into by the threads of that screw and not me pushing, okay? Just like that, and then if you did it correctly, yeah, see? So now you have full access to this dial again, okay? So one of the things you'll notice is if you incorrectly screw this in, what happens is it actually pushes onto the HVAC tubing, and then that HVAC tubing then pushes this dial against the whole entire dash, and then you won't be able to rotate this control, okay? So if it's too tight, all that means is just it's not screwed in, it's actually being pushed in. So what you want to do is back off the screw, and then like I said, don't push too hard, allow the screw to walk into the material, and then it'll bite into that HVAC tubing, and then you'll have, once again, full access to this dial. All right, thanks guys, good luck.